Hi friends, and thank you for returning to our channel. We're going to talk about a fascinating subject today, the amazing advantages of eating onions every day. Yes, those humble, pungent, and often underestimated vegetables are packed with health benefits that you might not be aware of. So, stick around as we dive deep into why you should make onions a regular part of your diet. Let's start by delving deeper into the incredible nutritional value of onions. These unassuming vegetables pack a surprisingly powerful punch when it comes to their health benefits. Minerals and vitamins. Onions are a great provider of these necessary nutrients. They have vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and shields our cells from harm. Additionally, onions are a good source of B vitamins, such as folate and B6, which are essential for DNA synthesis and energy metabolism. They are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that is crucial for controlling blood pressure and muscular contraction. Low in calories and fat. Onions are a wonderful option if you're watching how many calories and fat you eat. There are just about 44 calories and almost no fat in a medium onion. This makes them the perfect supplement to your diet whether you want to keep up a healthy lifestyle or control your weight. Phytochemicals. Onions contain various phytochemicals such as allicin and organosulfur compounds, which have been associated with several health benefits. Allicin, for instance, has antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping protect you from common infections. One of the most remarkable benefits of onions is their antioxidant properties. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat free radicals in the body. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and help maintain your overall health. Now let's explore the amazing ways onions can have a major impact on heart health. They are a heart-healthy complement to your regular diet because of these advantages. Blood pressure management studies have demonstrated that some chemicals found in onions can aid with blood pressure regulation. Research indicates that eating onions may cause a slight drop in blood pressure. This action can reduce the risk of cardiovascular illnesses, making it especially significant for people with hypertension or those at risk of high blood pressure. Cholesterol levels. Onions, especially when consumed as part of a well-balanced diet, can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. They contain allyl sulfides, which have cholesterol-lowering properties. Reducing LDL cholesterol levels is crucial because high LDL levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, preventing blood clots. Onions also contain compounds that inhibit the formation of blood clots. These clots can be a major contributor to heart attacks and strokes. By reducing the risk of clot formation, onions help maintain proper blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events. Onions also play a crucial role in boosting your immune system. Onions are high in vitamin C, which can strengthen your body's resistance against sickness. They can also help shield you from common diseases because to their antiviral and antibacterial qualities. Here are some fun and interesting facts about onions. World's largest onion. The world record for the largest onion weighed over 10 pounds or 4.6 kg and was grown in the United Kingdom. Onions and pyramids. Onions were used as a form of currency to pay laborers who built the Egyptian pyramids. Greek athletes' diet. In ancient Greece, Olympic athletes would consume large quantities of onions to improve their strength and endurance. Onions in space. Onions have been grown in space on the International Space Station, as they are relatively easy to cultivate in microgravity. These fun facts highlight the unique and diverse world of onions, showcasing their significance in various aspects of human culture, science, and nature. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. If you want a healthy gut, look no further than onions. Dietary fiber, which is found in onions, helps to maintain a healthy digestive tract and may help ward off constipation. Additionally, they promote the development of healthy gut flora, which is critical for general well-being. Onions are known to contain organosulfur compounds, which may help prevent cancer. A lowered incidence of stomach and colorectal cancers, among other cancers, has been linked to regular onion eating. Not only are onions healthy for you internally, but they can also do wonders for your skin and hair. Applying onion juice to your hair can assist to enhance its texture and encourage hair growth. Scars and acne on the skin can also be treated with it. Now that we've discussed the numerous health benefits of onions, let's talk about how you can incorporate them into your daily diet. Whether you like them raw in salads, sautéed in your favorite dishes, or caramelized for a sweet twist, there are endless ways to enjoy the goodness of onions in your meals. A word of caution: while onions offer a multitude of health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this information on the benefits of eating onions daily helpful and inspiring. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite recipes, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and enjoy your onions. See you in the next video.